Western Mass News is your vaccine authority. Good evening, everyone, and thank you for being here with us at Western Mass News. I'm Sarah Grinelli. The Johnson & Johnson vaccine has been given the green light from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention Committee, and the shot could be given to people in just a few days. Western Mass News reporter Lindsay Kane is live with the details. Lindsay.
Sarah, the vaccine advisors voted unanimously to recommend the Johnson & Johnson vaccine for the U.S., making it the first single-dose shot.
Which vaccine should anybody get? Any vaccine is a good vaccine.
The Johnson & Johnson COVID-19 vaccine getting the green light from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention vaccine advisors. The shot could be in arms in just a few days.
The state should have it very soon, if not, in hand by tomorrow or the following day.
The chief medical officer for Cooley Dickinson Healthcare tells Western Mass News 20 million doses of the shot are expected to be sent out by the end of March.
That's, really going to help us to be able to get those vaccine doses out. This vaccine is also easier to transport, easier to store, which means that we can get the Johnson & Johnson vaccine to rural communities, to homeless populations.
This is now the third vaccine authorized for use. The Johnson & Johnson vaccine is the only single-dose shot. Pfizer and Moderna both require 2 doses. But Dr. Garcia says no one option is better than the other.
We really aren't comparing apples to apples when we think about the effectiveness of these vaccines. So the Johnson & Johnson vaccine has been tested more recently and tested across countries with various strains.
Western Mass News viewers have been reaching out, questioning the effectiveness of this new shot. Dr. Garcia says it has a 100% chance of preventing deaths and hospitalizations from COVID, but has been found to cause some people to still experience mild symptoms of the virus. But he says with all 3 options highly effective, this is a big step in making doses more accessible.
Any vaccine you can get is the best vaccine for you. We really do believe that we need folks to be patient but persistent in getting their vaccine.
Dr. Garcia says the governor's administration has to decide how to use the Johnson & Johnson shots and to come up with a plan to administer it, which is expected to be announced soon. In studio, Lindsay Kane, Western Mass News.